Aaron Weimer. I was fortunate to win the $5,000 drawing, and my wife and I just recently had our roof completely redone. It was a full tear-off replacement and redo. And you know, Todd's been great throughout the whole situation. You know, there was been you know, weather situations that kind of delayed it and everything, and you know, we were patient with it and patient with him, and he's been great. So. It was a mandatory thing to have done for specific purposes, so we're definitely fortunate to have the work done through Todd, and definitely fortunate to be the winner here. So they were Todd and his crew were very consistent with their time, with their getting out to me and everything, and you know, via calls and texts, just very consistent communication. And he you know, made sure that the job was done well, the job was done right, and also making sure that the guys were safe themselves as well. So there were a couple days where it got cold and snowy and slick out and everything, and they weren't able to work as much, but you know, that's Todd looking out for his guys, and we respected that. So you know, Todd was very communicative, notified me right away when I wanted to get a bid from him, a quote from him and everything, and went with him, and he's been great. Well, Todd's a local guy, and I will be honest with you, there was another company that I was going to go with first, but the guy never got back, and you know, just completely you know, didn't answer my phone calls, didn't answer my texts or anything like that. And Todd was very forthcoming right away when I called him and said, you know, hey, I want to go with you guys. Was out right away, and like I said, Todd's a local guy, does a lot of work in the area. We just live right down the street, and like I said, was very responsive and receptive from day one. But it's been a great experience.